Fast Track to Monetization, accelerating your YouTube channel's journey in 30 days. In this guide, we'll explore a strategic roadmap to help you monetize your YouTube channel within just 1 month. By implementing a combination of effective strategies, you can optimize your content, engage your audience, and meet the eligibility criteria for YouTube Partner Program YPP Swifty. In this video, I will give you 10 instructions to build and monetize your channel in just 30 days. Number 1. Content Planning and Niche Selection, Days 1 to 5. Choose a niche that aligns with your passion and has potential audience interest. Develop a content calendar with at least 10 high-quality videos scheduled for the next month. Number 2. SEO Optimization, Days 6 to 10. Conduct keyword research using tools like Google Keyword Planner and TubeBuddy. Optimize video titles, descriptions, and tags for search engine visibility. Number 3. Quality Content Production, Days 11 to 15. Focus on creating engaging, informative, and high production value videos. Encourage viewer interaction through comments, likes, and shares. Number 4. Consistent Upload Schedule, Days 16 to 20. Stick to a consistent uploading schedule to build audience anticipation. Aim for at least 3 videos per week to demonstrate commitment. Number 5. Audience Engagement and Promotion, Days 21 to 25. Engage with your audience through comments and community posts. Leverage social media platforms to promote your videos and channel. Number 6. Optimize Channel Art and About section, Day 26. Update your channel banner, profile picture, and About section for a professional appearance. Clearly communicate your content focus and value proposition. Number 7. Review YouTube Policies and Guidelines, Day 27. Familiarize yourself with YouTube's policies and community guidelines. Ensure your content complies with all rules to avoid any potential issues during the review process. Number 8. Apply for YouTube Partner Program, Day 28. Once you've met the eligibility requirements, 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months, apply for YPP through your YouTube studio. Number 9. Quality Check and Monetization Setup, Day 29. Review your channel to ensure compliance with YouTube's content policies. Set up AdSense account and link it to your YouTube channel for monetization. Number 10. Post-Approval Optimization, Day 30. Monitor your analytics and make adjustments based on performance. Continue engaging with your audience and refining your content strategy. By following this comprehensive 30-day plan, you can expedite the monetization process for your YouTube channel. Remember that quality content, audience engagement, and adherence to YouTube guidelines are crucial components of a successful and monetizable channel.